Sunsama is a powerful daily planning app designed to help you organize your workday with focus and intention. Instead of just being another to-do list, Sunsama acts like your digital daily planner, helping you schedule tasks, manage priorities, and maintain a healthy work-life balance. When you open Sunsama, it doesn't just show you a list of things to do. It actually helps you by asking you what's realistic to get done today. You can drag tasks from tools like Trello, Asana, ClickUp, Notion, or even your email and calendar, and organize them into a clear time blocked schedule. It integrates beautifully with Google Calendar, Outlook, Slack, and other productivity apps, syncing everything in one simple interface. Sansema also promotes mindful productivity, encouraging you to review your progress at the end of each day so you can avoid burnout and plan smarter for tomorrow. In short, Sansema isn't just about getting more done. It's about doing the right things at the right pace, helping you stay calm, focused, and in control of your day. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.